What's up, guys? It is us.
I'm bored.
Yeah.
James is bored.
No way! We're playing Nerf guns.
Nerf guns.
With all these guys.
Hey.
Pretty much just shoot people with guns, but they're fake. No police involved. Oh, they're all fake.
Here are the rules. Derek will hide the guns and the bullets throughout the house. The better the guns, the harder it is to find them. Each player starts from a different side of the house, and everyone has 3 lives. Back to the video.
Alright. Game began, guys.
Okay.
So
We're ready?
We're starting.
Let's go.
we already got someone who find a gun.
Let's go.
I've been shot twice. I've been killed already.
Yes.
Jackson is out of the game, eliminated by James.
James, do you want this, okay?
Okay.
I suck rocks.
Alright, looks like Lachlan already finds something big. Fine too.
Okay, we're good.
Let's try.
That's not a hit.
I forgot that was a door. I forgot that was a door.
Whoa!
I'm pretty sure it shot James.
It hit me right in the top of the GoPro, I'm pretty sure.
Alright.
James is at
James has 2.
number 1. I'm at 2.
2.
I didn't hit you. Oh no!
Another hit
Jonah!
from Jonah. Big surprise for you, huh?
Yeah, just gotta make sure no one's shooting me. Oh. James is shooting, but he hasn't loaded his gun.
It's not even loaded.
Gun.
Still haven't found any.
Lachlan is loaded now.
He is?
James is eliminated. Shot by Jonah.
That's so good.
Gonna pass to GoPro to somebody else.
Oh, you are stacked.
Whoa. Look at this. We have a gathering. And look
You
over
are
there.
stacked.
We have a little pistol.
What is that?
I may have got a bit of guns.
Guys, when they're fighting, look over here. It is. Jonah didn't find it.
Whoa.
That is, does not hit it.
I have more protector now. Oh my goodness, it's like a boss battle.
Got him. Let's go!
There's no, he still have one more life.
What? You have 3?
Yep. No.
Wait, Lachlan, I just hit you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now it's 1, 2.
You haven't even been hit?
No? James and Jackson were busy fighting each other. Got him. Let's go!
The winner of this game is Lachlan.